We're trying to get him to not be able to eat as fast. We bought these golf balls. It's not helping a lot.
He's very good at eating.
He's very good. Here, move it back against the wall. Oh my God, slow down. I don't know, maybe 3 golf balls? I think he just bit the edge of the bowl. Eric, I don't even hear you crunching. Are you just swallowing it? There we go. I hear a little crunching. They are. Keep eating. He's going to come for yours as soon as he's done. It's kind of working because you can't get those last few pieces out of there. You can't tell if there's still one in there. Oh, what's this? What's that? What's that? You better check. You better make sure. Oh, Mom, what a jerk. Oh, what is this one? What's that? You better get that. Get that, get that. What's this? Oh, get it. What? There might still be some in there. Eric, double check. Double check. It slowed him down a little.
Well, what are you saying now?
It slowed him down just a little.
No, what are you saying to him? Come and check?
I was telling him to double check, make sure there weren't any still in there.
Is she still eating?
Yeah, she's still eating. I think, is he sneaking around the other side?
Huh?
Is he sneaking around the other
Yeah,
side?
he went to the bathroom.
Okay, good.